What's up, everyone? We just took a look at the Jordan 4 A Ma Maniere the other day, and today we have another one. You know what it is. This is the DJ Khaled Crimson Bliss Jordan 5. And I gotta say, DJ Khaled is kind of a fool for dropping this shoe at this time, because even here in California, it is the middle of winter, and this colorway screams South Beach, Miami in the middle of summer. But let's have a look. Definitely icy hot when it comes to the box. Really nice touch with these plastic sleeves. In fact, as an engineer, it has me thinking kind of the way that Nike does products. We've got the A Ma Maniere with the plastic sleeve. Now we got the We the Best Jordan 5 with the plastic sleeve. It feels like Nike figured out how to plastic sleeve a box, and now all the people doing collabs want the plastic sleeve on the box. Let's have a look. Pretty cool that it overlays so that you've got the Jordan Jumpman. Kind of hard to see in the camera, but we've got a gradient to this Jumpman. And then when you put the sleeve over it, it overlays to kind of make a compound image. That's pretty cool. Let's have a look at the shoe. Colorway, Crimson Bliss, Leche Blue Sail. Love the box detail with the gradient colors. And there's the shoe. Man, I had to switch up the spot. It was so overexposed. This colorway is super interesting. What is this color? Crimson Bliss? It's not exactly a pink. It's not exactly a peach. I don't know if I like it or not. I love interesting things. I love unique things. The ethos of this channel is icy hot. It's being unique. It's doing what others won't. But this is out there, man. This is really out there. The color on these, I really don't know whether I love it. I can't say I hate it. I can't hate anything. But man, it takes a certain type of person to rock these shoes. I guess I'll put it that way. Colorway aside, or primary color aside, the hit of blue on the shark teeth, the quilted liner, the color is gorgeous on the blue. I love the uniqueness that we have across the shoes. On the bottom, we got the Jumpman on one side, and we got We the Best in blue underneath a translucent outsole. On the other side, hit of Crimson Bliss, a little bit translucent in the top of the toe of the outsole. And on the back, oh, I was curious about this. They switched it up. So we got We the Best on the right shoe on the bottom, but we got We the Best on the left shoe at the back. Love that they did that. That's a super nice touch. Nike Air on the other side. And it looks like we've got 3M reflective material underneath this. We totally do. Same reflective material that you have in the tongue, we have underneath this panel here. That's pretty cool. That'll look pretty nice at night. Really nice translucent lace locks. And then the other thing that he changed, he made the top of this shoe at the back just a little bit narrower than your typical Jordan 5, you don't have that bump. Overall, the materials on these are super premium, and unlike the A Ma Maniere, which had some quality control issues with the construction, these look really, really beautiful. It's a nice tumbled leather, feels really durable. And just like the A Ma Maniere, again, very similar to the box, it looks like we've got the quilted liner. It looks pretty identical in terms of the pattern and the material, just a different color. Maybe a little bit more poofy on the A Ma Maniere, but again, very similar to what I was saying about the box. It feels like Nike has a catalog of materials that they can use, and collaborators basically pick from the catalog as they construct the shoe. And both of these chose to go with the quilted liner. The insole on this, however, is just a regular Nike Air insole. It does not have the quilted insole that the A Ma Maniere has. We have 3 different lace colors. We've got a black, we've got a sail, not full-blown white, and we have a blue. I think all 3 of these could end up looking really, really nice on the shoe, although probably not the black. I don't know how the black would look. The other 2 I think could look really, really nice on this. What else? Man, I think the only issue I have with this shoe is the fact that I'm getting it in the middle of winter. This is a summer shoe all the way. For those who are sleeping on this shoe or not sure about this shoe, I gotta say, if you just keep it in your closet, store it until April, May, break them out, these are gonna be an amazing joint for next year. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the next one soon.